Amazing. You got some of the, just not some of the, all the views out here are just absolutely insane. And like there's not one spot that's really worth skipping out on. So this next spot I'm headed to is actually, it's pretty fun, pretty insane. Excited to show you guys just the potential here. Not gonna try and spend too much time here, but definitely gonna finish the roll of Portra 400 that's in the Pentax 6.7, and probably just gonna keep it to the Leica M11 for now, just to stay a little faster. Really enjoying this 28, and the M10 is kind of just proving itself worthy of just what's out here right now and being able to keep me pretty quick and on my toes. So I'm gonna finish the roll of Portra 400, load one more, because this whole location, this next location, definitely gonna shoot the entire roll, 2 rolls of Portra 400. Oh, look at this. So this one's actually a little detour because I see this rock out in the distance and I just want to capture. And good googly moogly. This is nuts. I almost wish the sun was a little lower, but I'll take what I can get. It's so beautiful out here. 500 at 8. Oh, I'm loving the way vertical looks. Like you can kind of add a lot into frame. Vertical looks so cool on 6.7. Black and white is looking really cool too. I love the way like the shadows, shooting black and white here, the way the shadows play on these mountains. Starting at the second to last location, and I'm actually not too worried about what the sun looks like with these next set of shots. kind of wanted a little bit of like a blue hour look. So yeah, just gonna take some time wandering around this section for a little bit, and then let's take off here. That's something else. It's really crazy to me that people kind of leave right now, because like this is almost one of the best times to shoot. Like, look how freaking red and orange everything is out there. Oh man. There's so much like potential possibility here. Like, this is amazing. Oh, look at that up there. I need my 50 mil. I keep having to remind myself that I'm out here for this. So like, why not take advantage, you know? How often do you get to see something like this? All right, so just about done here in Moab. It's the next morning. Yesterday, spent the entire day shooting Canyonlands, which is a national state park, and there's just so many beautiful scenes out there, and I got so caught up with just running around that place trying to shoot it during sunset when the light got a little better. I did shoot during the day, just a few photos here and there, and curious to how those turned out, because I was actually like really enjoying the way the shadows looked and whatnot against like all these rocks and all these rock textures and stuff. So it was really fun. To give you guys a little bit more reasoning as to just why I'm out here in the first place. Honestly, I'm just kind of tired of doing traditional like street photography, people photography, and this past winter was like really harsh. It was just really dead and boring, and I just need something different. I wanted to explore something different, especially since I got the Leica M11. I wanted to essentially just be able to just get out and just photograph and do new stuff, test new stuff, play with new stuff, and not just limit myself to one specific genre thing, you know? I don't want to limit myself to that. So this was definitely worth it. Rest of this trip, I'm going to head into the city of Moab. Might do just a little session there if there's anything interesting to shoot. Hang out there all day and then head into Salt Lake City.